PUPPYOO Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner, 120W motor 35 minutes running time 2 inches 1 handheld vacuum cleaner. 1. Fade-free high power, 2200 mAh removable battery, 120W powerful suction. Up to 35 minutes cleaning time. 2. Stick and handheld 2 inches 1 design, 3 different brushes, versatile for pet hair, hard floor, carpet, sofa, cars, computers, corner and edege. 3. Lightweight cordless vacuums, free from cable and hassle, 5.5 pounds untralight, save labor.Wall bracket for easy storage. 4.2 power mode normal for pet hair, debris and dust. High for stubborn stains. Suitable for different places and surfaces. 5. User-friendly design, LED power indicator, detachable battery, easy empty dustbin, washable components, 120/180th degree rotate clean head.